Hello friends, I'm Ria. I'm here to share something interesting with you. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that I wake up early in the morning, and after that, I wish good morning to all in my house. And then I go for a bath. Oh, what is this? Water is overflowing? Oh my god, tap is leaked. So, what shall I do now? Whom shall I call? Oh my god. Shall I call plumber? Plumber with a cap. Come here and repair the tap. Yes. So, let's call the plumber. Plumber with a cap. Come here and repair the tap. And he has repaired the tap, and now I can have a bath, and I'm enjoying my bath with my little dog. And after this, I'm going to wear my dress. Oh my god! What? My dress got torn. So, what to do? Whom to call? Okay, let's call tailor. Tailor, need your help. Bring your needle and stitch my dress. Up now, this tailor will stitch my dress, and I will get ready. Look, she has prepared 2 dresses, and I'm going to wear one of these. Okay, and after wearing this beautiful dress, what I'm going to do? I want to read a book. For that, I will go to a bookshop and I'll buy few books for myself. Wow, so many books, so many story books. Wow, I'll buy few. And oh, who is he? He's an author. He writes book for us. I will say hello to him. And after buying books, I'll pay the money to the cashier. And then I will read my book quietly. Wow, I'm enjoying my book. It's so interesting book. Do you want to read? Oh my god. Look at this. My table is broken. So, now what to do? How will I read my book? Whom shall I call? Oh, carpenter. Carpenter, bring your saw. Repair my table and help me to draw. And carpenter uncle has repaired my table, and now, oh my god, not again. Light has gone. How can I read my book now? Whom to call now? Oh my god. Shall I call electrician? Could you please help me to call the electrician? Electrician, take a halt. Come and check. What's the fault? Oh my god. And wow, electrician has rectified, and now light is there. But what next? Now I'm not going to read. I'm going to have a party. And for that I'm going to eat a cake. And I'm going to a confectionery shop, and there I will ask confectioner, bake the cake. I will eat near the lake. And so this I enjoyed a lot today. Did you enjoy it with me? Tell me. Okay, bye. Thank you.